Good morning, everybody. All teachers, parents, children. Today we celebrate the National Sports Day, a day to commemorate Dhyan Chand's achievements, a great legendary hockey player of India who won 3 Olympic medals for India. And that's why on his birthday we celebrate this day as National Sports Day. And it is the right occasion for us to begin this Fit India Freedom Run. Fit India Freedom Run is organized by the Sports Authority of India under the instruction from the Ministry of Sports, which began on 15th of August. We thought today is the right day to begin this Fit India Freedom Run. As I have given you the instruction through the circular, we begin the run, and every day all of you can run as much as you like at your own space, at your own time, at any place you want to, and any number of people can participate, but record the cumulative, the total run made by you and your family in the table which I have given. And on 30th of September, you will all upload it in the Google Classroom, PET Classroom, so that all these cumulative kilometers that are run by our institution will be put up in the Fit India website, which will be seen by the SAI, the Sports Authority of India, and they will give us a certificate also for it. Individually too, you can upload or you can register in the Fit India website, and the SAI will give you also certificate individually for the runs that you are making. So today we are beginning, since it's a corona season and we have to keep the social distancing. To represent every one of us, our sports teachers will start the run. They will make one lap of this playground as a representation to start off the Fit India Freedom Run. That is why we are gathered here today to flag off this run, and I wish all the students, parents and teachers take up this freedom run throughout this month and take it seriously so that we can remain fit and healthy. And that is why the Sports Authority of India has introduced this program to keep us fit and healthy. And that is my wish for every one of you. Keep yourself safe, fit and healthy, and participate in this Fit India Freedom Run sincerely and actively. With that, I invite our administrator of our institution to flag off this Fit India Freedom Run. Sir, please. PE teachers, take your position.
Mahapushan slow.